Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey, thanks for watching. Today's video, well, it's gonna be something not completely different, no. First, just excuse the way I look today. I know that everybody says that and I'm not apologising for it, but I have not been well at all. I've had the flu and I just feel like absolute garbage, but I've been really excited to film this video since I thought of the idea, and I thought, well, what better way to perk yourself up. This is something, now you can correct me if I'm wrong because I'm not 100% sure, but I have never seen this done before, which it's so scary trying to say that because lo and behold somebody would pop up and be like, I did that 6 months ago. But as far as I'm aware, and I have searched it on YouTube and I can't find anything like it, nobody else has done this specific video before. So basically, in my last video I kind of got to the end of the video and I was sitting taking close-up shots of my eye makeup and stuff like that, you know, to try and get pictures and stuff, and I noticed that I had like a really bald patch in my eyebrow. So I'd already put my mirror kind of out of my reach and I'm too lazy to get up and get my mirror, so yeah, I wasn't going to do that. And I decided, alright, okay, I'll just grab my pencil and I'll fill it in and I'll use the viewfinder. So I was like, whoa, imagine doing a whole face using your viewfinder as your mirror. So that's what I'm going to do today. As far as I'm aware, this isn't a challenge, it isn't a tag already. If it is, please correct me, but I haven't seen anybody else do this, so I'm hoping that you guys will join me. If you watch this video at all, please take on the challenge so I'm not the only idiot trying this. And, you know, challenge other people to do it, share it, you know, stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, so let's just get on. So I'm thinking, being this close is a little bit weird, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I'm gonna have to be this close to be able to see what I'm doing. So obviously I'm gonna be doing this a lot because when I'm looking over here I can see myself in the viewfinder. I'm gonna start as I normally would, obviously priming my face, and I'm using the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, or Mineral Veil Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I used this in my last video, I just really like it. Even if you film on like your iPhone or an iPad, I suppose you could use it on the sort of selfie mode and try it that way. I have no idea if this is even blended. I'm having crazy flashbacks to when I did the no mirror makeup challenge. That was hilarious because I did it with like my best friend and she just thought it was the funniest thing, and she was sitting behind the camera making sure I was like in focus and stuff like that, and she just made fun of me the whole time and it was just hilarious. I do actually have to get her back on my channel. Beverly, I know you're watching. We have to do another video where you're actually in the video with me because I think that that will be funny. Okay, I'm hoping that that is blended. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer because I haven't used this in ages and I do really like it. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to drag that up onto my eyelids as an eyelid primer as well. Set that, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent pressed powder, and I'm just not going to use that brush, and I'm going to use my Shade and Light brush from Kat Von D just to set that concealer. I can't even see if it creased, in the time it took me to get up and get my brush, but hey-ho. That's maybe the easiest bit done. I'm gonna try and do my brows now, and this is what gave me the idea in the first place. And I can remember when I did it, or when I tried to do it, I was just like, this is impossible. So, and I was only trying to fill in like the tiniest little bit. I mean, I can barely even see my brows. Maybe if your brows are kind of a wee bit better than mine and you don't have to fill them in as much, this would be easier, but maybe zoom in just a little bit closer. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm giving up on the brows. I can't wait to see them in the mirror when I'm done. But that is kind of what I have going on for now. If anybody else does this, they're going to do such a better job than me, but I just, for my eyes, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette because I know it's good, and yeah, pretty much. So I'm going to use Golden Ochre. Then I'm going to go into raw sienna just a little bit. As you can tell, this is going to be a really nice natural look. Wonder if this is what it's like for people who wear glasses, who take their glasses off to do their makeup. If it is, I feel for you. I think I'll go in with Primavera. Like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings. Okay, I'm not gonna mess about with it too much because this video will end up being hours long. Golden Ochre, and run that underneath. Try not to poke myself in the eye. I'm going to take raw sienna, and this is the hard part. I'm going to use Vermeer as my inner corner highlight. For mascara, I'm using Benefit's Roller Lash. And I think I'll tackle the bottom ones first. Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not Okay, that wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. So I shouldn't need to be quite as zoomed in for this part. I'm gonna continue on and finish the rest of my face now. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party. For contour, I'm going to use Cool Porcelain from Makeup Geek, my Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. Okay, and to highlight, I'm going to use the Sleek Makeup highlight palette in Solstice. For lips, give it a shake. I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie in Corset. And I have like the tiniest lips ever, so that is not easy. I know this is a pretty sort of natural look that I've gone for, but this is sort of like a normal everyday makeup. I just didn't use a mirror, I used my viewfinder. I don't know how entertaining this video is going to be. I'll probably speed a lot of it up because a lot of it is just me being really quiet and trying to concentrate. Anyway, I hope that it was interesting to watch. Anyway, this is how it turned out. I haven't seen this yet, so I think I'm going to have a look, because sometimes things look better on camera than they do in real life. Let's just be fair. Ooh, my eyebrows are a mess. I'm going to say that. I'm not really mad at the rest of it. The lip colour is washing me out quite a bit. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm using like this tiny wee mirror. Yeah, my eyebrows could be way more structured. They're not horrendous, but they are a bit actually. I don't know, I'm not mad at it. It was fun anyway. It was something different. It was a little bit of a challenge. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. You found it entertaining at least. Yeah, I'm hoping that this may become a challenge. I don't know, probably a long shot. But if you see this video, I would love it if you make videos as well for you to do this challenge, tag whatever the heck it becomes, and tag me in it so that I can see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!